Will AI replace software engineers? Here's the truth in 2025. If you're a developer, watch this before it's too late. AI isn't coming for your job. It's already here, and learning faster than you think. Welcome to this channel. In our last video, we talk about the reality of AI jobs in 2025, but today is where we break down what's really happening in tech. No fluff, just facts. Today, we're diving into a question every software engineer should be asking. Will AI replace us? Or will it simply change everything we know about coding? If you care about surviving in tech and staying ahead of the machines, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It helps us grow and keeps you informed when it matters most. Now let's dive in. Let's not sugarcoat it. AI is writing code, better, faster, and in more languages than ever before. And it's not a gimmick. It's already changing how teams hire, build, and deploy. GitHub Copilot now completes code before your fingers even finish the thought. Powered by OpenAI, it draws from millions of public repositories and learns fast. Some devs say it boosts productivity. Others fear it's making them obsolete. Startups, strapped for cash but hungry to scale, are turning to AI to handle front-end logic, database setup, and even full-stack deployment. Entire products now go live without a single traditional engineering team. A London-based fintech laid off half their dev team in late 2024. Why? Internal tools powered by large language models could do the work of 5 junior devs in hours, not days. Here's what senior engineers are saying. If you're not using AI to speed up your workflow, you're already behind. Others warn, I've mentored juniors who can't write code without Copilot. The tool is changing not just the output, but the skill expectations. In Q1 2025 alone, Amazon and Meta reduced engineering hires by 30%, not because the projects stopped, but because AI filled in where they once needed humans. Job descriptions now list AI prompt design experience as a requirement. Entry-level dev jobs are vanishing. Why hire a fresh grad when an AI tool can generate, test, and deploy code in minutes? The demand for junior roles is shrinking, fast. AI wins in speed, no question. It can generate dozens of solutions in seconds. But speed doesn't equal understanding. AI doesn't know the problem. It predicts text based on patterns, not logic. AI is getting scarily good at debugging too. It reads stack traces, understands common bugs, and suggests solutions instantly. But, and this is key, someone still needs to validate the fix. AI still hallucinates. Welcome to the new job in town, prompt engineer. You don't code every line. You orchestrate AI to build faster than ever. But guess what? You still need to think like a developer. This isn't full replacement. It's evolution. Developers are becoming system architects, logic validators, and AI orchestrators. But those who don't adapt, they're being left behind. So the real question isn't just what AI can do, but what it can't. And that's where humans still win, for now. AI can't innovate from zero. It can remix existing code, sure. But designing intuitive apps that truly connect with users? That still takes a creative mind, yours. AI doesn't understand context or culture. It can suggest something functional but tone-deaf, or even dangerous. Ethical decisions? Still up to humans. System architecture, understanding trade-offs, data flow, performance. That's not autocomplete work. That's where human judgment and experience still dominate. In late 2024, Stack Overflow banned ChatGPT-generated answers. Why? Too many were confidently wrong. In a field where accuracy matters, blind trust in AI is dangerous. Can AI lead a dev team? No. Can it speak to clients, resolve team conflicts, or make product trade-offs? Not even close. Software engineering isn't just typing code. It's collaboration, leadership, empathy. AI can write code, but it doesn't understand your industry. Building software for healthcare, finance, aerospace, you need domain knowledge. AI doesn't know what could kill a patient or crash a jet. Entry-level devs won't disappear, but they'll need different strengths, like knowing how to verify AI output, not just write from scratch. The job starts more with critical thinking than coding. Even the people building AI admit its limits. Satya Nadella said, AI won't replace developers. It'll make good ones unstoppable. The message is clear. AI is power, not prophecy. It's time we stop fearing AI and start learning how to leverage it. Developers using Copilot, Replit Ghostwriter, or Tab 9 aren't falling behind. They're flying. Tasks that once took hours now take minutes. With the right prompts, your velocity triples. Modern dev teams are evolving. AI is now like an intern. It can do grunt work fast, but it still needs guidance. And the humans? They're doing more thinking and less typing. During a live SaaS product launch, one team used AI to resolve a database bottleneck in 8 minutes. Their senior dev said, "That fix would have taken us a day. AI gave us back time and our clients' trust." Top developers are doing 3 things: learning AI tools, integrating them into daily workflows, and doubling down on the human side of engineering: design, communication, ethics. These are the tools every dev should know in 2025. GitHub Copilot for pair programming, Replit Ghostwriter for rapid prototyping, GPT-4 for planning logic, Cursor AI for in-editor chat, CodeWhisperer for AWS-based tasks. The software engineer of 2025 isn't being replaced, they're being redefined. The future belongs to those who adapt, not to those who memorize syntax. Here's the new reality. Humans prompt, AI drafts, humans refine. This hybrid loop is what real-world engineering teams are using to deliver faster without sacrificing quality. A modern dev's day looks like this. Start with planning, use AI to scaffold code, manually tweak architecture, run automated tests, and spend more time solving problems than writing boilerplate. A senior developer at a Fortune 500 company told us, "Copilot saved me time, but also made me ask better questions. I'm not coding less, I'm thinking more and producing higher value work." AI doesn't know what your customers want. It can't interpret feedback, change priorities, or lead a product roadmap. Leadership is still a human responsibility and a huge opportunity. If you're worried about being replaced, good. You're paying attention, but the real threat isn't AI. It's doing nothing while it evolves. The best developers in 2025 won't just write code, they'll write prompts. The clearer your prompt, the better the code. Prompt engineering is now part of your job. You don't have to master every tool. But you do need to understand what each one can do, and which part of your workflow it can enhance. AI awareness is the new literacy. If you're learning, stop copying tutorials. Start building real apps with AI in the loop. It forces you to learn, adapt, and become comfortable with the new way of working. Want long-term value? Double down on what AI can't fake. Clear communication, user empathy, product vision, team leadership. In 2025, great devs won't compete against AI. They'll compete with it at their side. Those who adapt fastest, collaborate with AI wisely, and lead with human intuition, they'll own the future. Traditional coding bootcamps still matter, but now, AI certifications are gaining value. Courses on prompt engineering, AI pair programming, or even auto-GPT workflows are emerging fast. You don't need a 4-year degree to stay relevant. Learn in 30-minute chunks. Build AI-powered side projects. Focus on learning velocity, not perfection. One developer we spoke to was stuck in front-end work. Now, she builds conversational UI with GPT-4 APIs. Her salary doubled, and her work became future-proof. Another shifted from manual testing to building AI-powered test scripts. Companies don't want more testers. They want automation engineers who speak both AI and code. A junior dev who struggled with raw code now runs internal tools using prompts, no-code platforms, and AI scripting. He didn't leave tech. He evolved inside it. Love music? Build AI audio tools. Into finance? Create GPT-powered investment dashboards. Your unique edge is in combining passions with AI power. In 2025, companies don't care what school you went to. They care what you built. Show them AI-powered projects, not just a list of frameworks you memorized. AI can write code. It can solve bugs. But it can't replace your vision, your judgment, your adaptability. The things that make a human, still matter most. Change is fast, yes, but it's not too late. You still have time to adapt, learn, and lead. But that window, it's closing. Start today. Let's wrap this up. Because this story, it's still being written by you. Let's recap. AI isn't coming, it's here. It's reshaping how developers work, what companies expect, and which skills matter most. You don't need to fear it. You need to understand it. This isn't just about code. It's about control over your career, your future, and your relevance. AI is the greatest tool developers have ever been given, or the biggest threat for those who ignore it. Here's your action plan. Learn how to prompt 2. Master 1, 2 AI tools deeply 3. Build real AI-powered projects today, not next month. If you're just starting out, don't panic, but don't coast either. The old advice won't save you. The rules have changed, and no one's handing out guarantees. If you've been coding for 10+ years, don't resist the future. Your wisdom is priceless. But combine it with AI speed, you become unstoppable. Here's what hasn't changed. Developers are still problem solvers, builders, visionaries. AI is just fuel. You're still the one driving. If this helped you, subscribe. Comment your thoughts below. Share this with one developer who needs to hear it. We're building a community that adapts, not panics. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What part of your workflow has AI already changed? And do you think your role still exists in 5 years? The future belongs to those who learn faster than change itself. Peter Drucker. The future won't wait, but you don't have to chase it. Just grow with it. Keep watching to stay ahead. Check out our deep dive on tech jobs in 2025 or explore the full AI job series playlist.